Hi, so this next practice will be appropriate after you've spent quite a while practicing that breath awareness. So once you have established a relationship with your breath where you feel comfortable just paying attention to your breath to begin with and understanding how you feel when you're breathing, what qualities do you notice, etc. Now I'm going to offer you the alternate nostril breathing technique, but we're not going to use the hand mudra. So sometimes it's a little more accessible for people because you don't have to think about the hand mudra. I also think it's a little more subtle and a little deeper practice. So again, the breath needs to be available to you in a subtle, smooth, slow breath practice to be able to do the alternate nostril breathing practice. So find yourself in your position, whatever you're taking. You could be lying down to do this. You could be seated against a wall. I'm going to close my eyes again because I think it allows you then to not have to look at me. You can just hear me with your ears. Rest your hands comfortably by your side or in your lap. Maybe soften through the hands. Begin by tuning into your breath and maybe softening facial muscles, jaw. So I'm going to lead you through this and then I'm going to be quiet. You're going to use your natural breath pace. So it might not be what mine is, but to begin, I will lead you through it. So inhale normally through both nostrils, noticing the qualities of your inhale. And then when you're ready to exhale, imagine exhaling only through your left nostril. And when you're ready to inhale, imagine inhaling only through the left nostril. Then when you're ready to exhale, exhale, imagine it happening only through the right nostril. Inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right. And now continue on using this flow back and forth. If you're finding this soothing, then I encourage you every time you reach the top of an inhale to bring your attention right between your two eyes. After 2 more cycles, pause your breath, pause your attention to your breath. Inhale, imagine both nostrils fully engaged, and exhale, both nostrils fully engaged. 2 more times, bringing balance back to both nostrils and your awareness. And when you're ready, softly, if the eyes were closed, blink them open, bring your attention back into your space. And before you move on to the next thing, so before you either get up or maybe if you were in bed, roll over and go to sleep, just ask yourself right now, what was that like for me in this moment? Even if you've done it lots of times before, what was it like for you in this moment, this time? I hope you enjoyed this. Be well.